Hello guys, xanavi.net, Zeekr 001, 2022 year, with the new chip, it's the facelift, so it has Zeekr OS 301. It's the new chip system, and from the factory it doesn't have English language, so we have translated the system to English. Now you can still see some Chinese parts, but the biggest part is English. Also, we have installed Android apps like navigation, keyboard. It's getting the GPS location properly. Какая погода?
Сейчас в Санкт-Петербурге +3, весь день пасмурно. В ближайшие 2 часа осадков.
Voice guidance and voice recognition in the app work. YouTube. Please wait a second. Sorry, we had some troubles. We have added the navigation bar, a few small Android buttons with moving on the screen, so we can play any video. Full screen mode is available. It works properly without any problems. Navigation bar works. We can go back. 1, 2. So we opened the home screen. And also about the translation, was translated the speedometer, the cluster display behind the steering wheel. So we have translated both screens. Everything work. So now we can install Waze, YouTube, Spotify, and so on, and translate to English the new Zeekr. Okay guys, it's the time for the second part of the video. Unfortunately, we had no time to film a detailed video to show you all the apps working, because we had no time, the car owner had no time. But let me remind, facelift Zeekr had no English from the factory. We have translated it to English and installed the Android apps. So now we have not facelift Zeekr. System version 1.1.1b. Also with facelift Zeekr, I forgot to say that we have done the time zone and the SIM card. So we have the way to install the local SIM card. Okay, so let me show you the apps, and the same thing with facelift Zeekr 2. So on the main screen we can add widgets if the app supported. And now we can see the traffic jams, time, and Netflix. Unfortunately, we have the troubles with Wi-Fi, so it's not loading, but it was tested and it's working. Maybe just need to install again, but you can see the widget picture was downloaded, so it works. Where else? Spotify, WhatsApp, Telegram, Waze. You can see it works. Browsers for internet surfing, of course, Spotify, the high quality music. Telegram, WhatsApp, Viber, Maps.me, everything work, so you can enjoy your car and use it as you want with navigation, with messengers, Netflix, YouTube. As I told, we have some problems with internet connection. Also, we have added a navigation bar, background play. Of course, we start the navigation just to test. We start the navigation. It works without any problems. Nothing is freezing, so all good.
Toyota has recently launched a new plug-in hybrid version of the fourth
So
generation Harrier in Japan.
that's it.
Currently available with engine options including plug-in hybrid, gasoline, and hybrid.
Sorry, I had some troubles with the calling. So, just to repeat: facelift, Zeekr, time zone, apps, English language, and SIM card. Not facelift, Zeekr, we do everything same, but with no English translation, because the car already has it. Many thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. Our contacts you can find right in the description. Stay safe, bye bye, and enjoy your car.